So now I'm at what's this place? Desara sales. Not Desaru, Johor Bahru. Desara sales gallery, and this is how much we're going to drink.
Yeah. Cheers.
And Mr. Lawyer, rim supplier.
Thank you.
The wife. Food, only fried rice, but the company is the most important thing. And the company must actually bring a lot of drinks.
No, the red wine is important as well.
Red wine, nice or not? Try to explain to me, why is it nice? Is it dry? Is it wet? Like a girl's vagina or something like that? Wet? Like that? No?
It's Portuguese wine.
Portuguese wine.
Yeah.
So it's dry lah. Like a 100-year-old granny's vagina lah.
This is one. This one. Unyao.
Sorry.
You should take a photo of this bottle.
This one. Okay.
Unyao. Wow, like a bad word, no. Unyao. Hi Stephanie, Jerry. Hi.
This is George. Yeah, George. And this is Jerry.
I already introduced myself, you're drunk already.
睇到冇？
睇到，有靚女前面嗎？有靚女。
哦，Japanese name。
So you're sommelier.
唔係，still exact 嘅啫。
Oh, then you know about wines. You don't want me to like mix white and red. 飲。
我唔使做嘢嘅，
我唔使做嘢都可以飲嘅。係啊，你。
可以飲啦。
Like get them drunk, is it? Definitely. $100 per bottle. Yeah.
Then what to the other one?
Stephanie, how much is this?
This one, you have to ask the wine supplier.
The lady. Tastes like wine.
Because it's wine, what? Tastes like.
Can taste like Ribena also. Oh, my right. Cheers.
What does your tattoo say?
Is it real?
Yeah, real.
What does it say? Create? I mean, destroy is there.
Create memories.
What do you say?
Trust.
Oh, churros.
Hey, yeah,
No.
Lang lah.
Oh, that means Peter Lee is in Cheras.
Oh,
his brother is Cheras, sorry.
Churros can you 介紹有咩嘢好食
Steamboat.
Steamboat? Where?
Steamboat.
Where?
Which one is Cheras?
Trust.
Hey.
Mine is nearby Smilong.
She is doing catering, not busy all the time. Next time.
Oh, she's a caterer.
All together lah.
Oh, nice food. Oh, 你炒啊自己？哇，好辛苦啊！
唔係我炒嘅。
唔係啊？哦，supplier。啊，要用隔夜飯咯。哦，so you were inside there cooking the fried rice 啊？
You know 杜先生right?
OK 啦，好多人啊。嗰度有 Aeon 嘛嗰度。
有 first of all, other days.
仲喺嗰度有 Aeon。
Okay lah, because my office is nearby Cheras also.
Which part of Cheras?
My office at Alam right?
It was there.
啱啊！
好遠喎嗰隻。
National 你知道邊度？
知道。
National 在嗰一個通嗰度實。
我當咪14啲路啊。
大概喺嗰度啦。
你 jam 啊。
You have
I thought now the road is.
National 前面係好 jam 嘅。
I thought now the road is big also
Steel jam.
我嗰陣時我係咁摸，照拉
Stephanie 啊，有 card 冇？
有。
Today better than yesterday.
What? No. Come on, man. Hey, come on. Oh, you're the beer watered down. Fucking hell.
No, not only that. Yesterday, much girls yesterday.
頭自交啊！
Here got what? Stephanie only.
A few nice sales consultant there.
I don't care. Oh, thank you very much. Catering, right? Hey,
剛剛拿到兩張嘛，你們試試好。
Miss Ellie Go, you are the Miss Ellie Go lah. Oh. Tell me about the wine lah.
Take photo ah.
Today no makeup cannot.
I understand. I also don't have makeup. Oh, yesterday the guy I don't know what's his name. Want to hit on your friend's girlfriend
Can you want respect?
I don't know.
Oh, he tried to.
No lah, very like sly lah, flirty.
Yeah, he's a sly type.
Yeah, very sly.
Mr. Sly. So we call him Mr. Sly.
I think he's a player, man.
He's trying to hit her, you know, I saw. This guy funny.
Not funny. It's
I don't like to talk again because I don't want to learn.
very focused, very.
It's scary, man.
Not scary. The girl will be like, wow, attention, you know. I love it.
No,
Spray your legs and fly.
other guys will see this guy very handsome. Very handsome.
Hey, aren't all guys handsome?
We have to control a bit now. Like this, not the pH, yeah?
Thank you very much, Stephanie.
Definitely.
Stephanie.
黐啊知，
Event and K
G is the company name.
K event
okay.
and patisserie
Go for events. What do you mean?
Social event.
event.
Yeah. Actually, every Wednesday, right?
You like art?
Arts ah.
You like art events?
It's gonna invite him into the room. Invite her into the room.
I know.
He wants everyone.
He wants everybody.
Nice artwork, but they serve more
presentable lah. You always be there lah.
buffet style.
Good food lah, good food.
We have tea time, hot food, canopies, and then sit down courses as well.
Excellent.
We'll keep in touch, no problem.
Oh,
Touching it.
what's the food? What is your
This is mine, I think.
what's your specialty of the company?
Cakes and pastries.
Pastries ah.
Yeah.
But fried rice is not pastry oh.
Yeah, fried rice we do hot food as well, but then our specialty is cakes and pastries.
Ah, pastry. What kind of pastries? Macaron.
Macaron, cheesecake, cupcakes.
冇食過喎，有食過冇？
呢度淨係有今日有。
You should try pastries one day. Should be nice with the pastries.
太甜咗。
你會 try 嘛？我 we don't know。有試過冇啊？
有試咁大咯。
我頭先有試過啊？你好早到啊？
我7點半到啊，行下咯，7點8個9個10個已經到。
靚仔咯你。
Yes, man. So, whatever you have, you post in the group, go ahead. Today's event, us. And you'll be telling other people, this is what you all have made, you all missed.
Why would I want to make them jealous?
Okay, don't need to say that, just post the photo. Oh, that one, my caption, don't need to say that. Use your own caption, yeah?
David Cam wants everybody to be jealous.
Oh, no, that is worse. That's the worst caption.
If you take video,
What's your name? Ransom. Handsome.
No, ransom.
Ransom.
Enjoy the wine.
Oh, ransom. You have to pay ransom to get your life back, is it?
No, ransom. R-A-M-Z-E-N.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, ransom.
You're
And you got a Guile haircut. Street Fighter, you know Guile? Huh?
Oh,
not blonde lah, but black lah.
Yeah, black. Asian style.
Asian style. Thank you very much, ransom.
Welcome. Do you enjoy the night?
Oh yeah, definitely. When you drink a lot, definitely you enjoy. Happy as fuck. Thank you very much, ransom. Well, the drinks are good, nice. Food is alright. And this is, of course, what's it called? They are promoting this thing here. They're trying to sell the. It's called Desaro Central. So this is the mock-up of what they would look like. There are 5 units here. Name Sovo, SA1, SA2, SB2 and date of birth, I'm not sure. So this is what it looks like. I'm not sure where it is actually. Oh, there's a map there that shows where this place is. Here, of course, this is the parking place. It's a normal thing. It's a sales office, of course. And where is it? Where is this place?
Here. Our place?
Ah, yes.
This one.
Huh?
Nearby here.
Oh, you haven't shown it?
Our this unit is here, and then our actual site is here.
What?
Actual site.
Actual site is it? So you're buying here?
Yep.
And what is now you pointed
This
here?
one is here, Star Avenue.
Our place where we are.
Yes,
Oh,
we
that.
are here now.
So it's not that far away lah.
6 a.m.
6 kilometers. Oh,
Yep.
okay, nice.
Yep.
Thank you very much. What's your name?
Thank you, Vincent.
Vincent, thank you very much. So you've seen where it is actually. It's not that far away from here. It's near Subang lah, like that. Yep, near Subang. A lot of the units are already sold, judging by the number of dots on that thing. So they have this whatchamacallit, plants. Very important to have plants on top to give it a bit more green type of style, or a bit more environmentally sound area.
大概是700个 unit 左右。
总共多少个 acre？
What's the cheapest? Cheapest one unit how much?
The cheapest, if the new plot, the cheapest is roughly 600,000.
600,000 for how many square feet?
700.
700.
哇，做
700
哇，所以
square
900
feet.
扣啊一尺，
700幾800左右。
有咩？你頭先講嘅係
Sorry，我們這邊不能拍的。
哦，
Sorry, cannot.
Cannot.
Oh, okay, sorry.